Controlling a project can be necessary for a number of reasons. Planning assumptions may have been wrong, requirements may change, deadlines may change, budget may change, people make mistakes, acts of God. The prerequisites for effective control are establishing a baseline and having a formal control procedure. If the project has been prepared for properly, any problems can be measured as deviation from the original plan, our baseline, and once such a deviation has taken place, a formal procedure for dealing with it needs to be in place. What do we control? Control is about time, money, or quality, known as the Holy Trinity. Time can be measured in many ways, but can be summed up by answering two questions. Firstly, have you made the progress you planned? Secondly, will you finish when you thought you would? Cost. Often project managers neglect this concern, but it is important for understanding if you are receiving value for money. The statistics that will help you understand this are costs estimated at completion, which can then be compared to costs budgeted at completion, and finally, actual cost of work performed to date. Quality. Unlike time and cost, this is not so easily quantified, but it is important to have quality standards clearly specified at the beginning of the project, a quality plan, which will define working methods and procedures, define standards for deliverables, define standards for supervision and review, define project checkpoints, define user involvement. Managing time, cost, and quality will allow the project manager to have a detailed knowledge of the status of all the tasks being undertaken at any one time. This information is gathered via progress reporting, which can be in the form of written reports, one-to-one progress meetings, group meetings, or just wandering about to see how things are going. You should use all these methods to monitor your project.